This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Discord shop. First, set up your server, either a brand new one or an existing community. Next, create essential text channels, perhaps one for product listings and another for order forms. Don't forget to establish clear rules for both buyers and sellers, ensuring a fair and organized environment for everyone involved. This foundational setup is crucial for a successful shop. Now, let's focus on presenting your offerings. Designate a specific channel, perhaps named Product Catalog, where all your items will be listed. For each product, include high-quality images and a detailed description, highlighting its features and benefits. Crucially, clearly state the price, available stock, and any specific purchase instructions. This clarity helps customers make informed decisions quickly. Once products are listed, you need a system for orders. Set up a private channel, perhaps order submissions, where customers can send their requests. For payments, integrate a secure gateway like PayPal or Stripe to handle transactions smoothly. Finally, establish a clear fulfillment process, aiming to deliver digital goods within minutes or physical items within a few business days. Effective management ensures long-term success. Assign specific roles, such as shop manager and customer, to streamline operations and permissions. Regularly update your product listings, stock levels, and shop policies to keep everything current. Finally, actively promote your shop within your server and on other platforms to attract new customers and foster a thriving community around your offerings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.